Okay, so welcome back. So in this video, ang solve natin na lab is SQL injection attack, querying the database type and version on MySQL and Microsoft. Okay? So basahin natin. This lab contains a SQL injection vulnerability in the product category filter. You can use a union attack to retrieve the results from an injected query. To solve the lab, display the database version string. So for the hint, you can find some useful payloads in our cheat sheet. So let's not try and use that now and explain this step by step. So let's load the lab. So make the database retrieve the string this. No, so 8.06 8.036 0 Ubuntu blah blah. So again, category filter, alam natin nandito siya sa refine your search. So let's try to just go to accessories. So again, we have this category equals accessories and pwede natin i-try na hulaan kung ano ba yung query nito. No? So this is maybe select star from some table where category equals accessories. No? So remember now na yung database natin is MySQL or Microsoft, no? So, hindi na tayo gagamit nung from dual katulad ng Oracle. So, what we can do is we can try to intercept this in burp. Okay? So, let's open burp, intercept on, and let's just reload the page. So, we get this and send to repeater. So, ang pwede natin gawin is to try and manipulate the query ng category, no? So, let's send this first para lang meron tayo output. So, again, ang isa sa pinaka-importante natin na kailangan gawin kapag nag-union select tayo is to know the number of columns na return ng ating SQL query, 'di ba? So, we can do that by brute forcing it using yung union select attack, no? So, una, close natin yung category using an apostrophe and then say union select and then assume natin na isa lang yung column, no? So 1 and let's comment the rest of the code. So let's send this query and we get a 500 internal server error. So meaning hindi lang isang column yung return. So let's try 2. Let's send it again and 200 okay na, no? And let's see kung nag-reflect ba yung ating 1 and 2. So, nasa baba siguro. Ayan, nag-reflect yung ating 1 and 2. No? So, now, we just need to query the database version. No? So, sa MySQL, para makuha yung database version, we use at version. No? So, let's send this. And, tignan natin ulit sa baba. And there you go. We get 8.0.036-0 Ubuntu blah blah, no? And if we go back to the lab and we now have solved the lab, no? So I hope nag-make sense tong video sa inyo and hope to see you in the next video.